Welcome to Quest 21, Wayfarer Special Edition. Let's explore the features and tonality this set has to offer. It's time to set out on a new adventure with this special edition set offering 3 color presets, each exploring a bold new aesthetic while remaining true to the original set. Using Lightroom's AI technology, each preset applies a subject and background mask, which can be controlled independently using the preset amount slider for endless customization. Also included is the new Horizon Creative Profile, which mutes the highlights and adds a pale yellow overtone. Plus, 2 simple white borders, which provides a perfect finishing touch to your photo. AQ21-1, a clean and natural tone preset with a slight warm bias and gently muted greens. AQ21-2, characterized by a cool tone palette with dark moss greens, offset with rich cardinal reds. AQ21-3, a bold and colorful preset with prominent yellows and greens and subtle honey overtones.